we completed exercise 5.2. Now we go ahead. So we studied the two types of angles, that is what? The right angle. और भी बहुत अच्छे से, yes, we did many applications. Right angle, straight angle, yes. So right angle 90 degree, straight angle 180 degree. Okay. Now what about the angles? Like if I write right angle and a straight angle, we know that the measure of a right angle is 90 degree, the measure of the straight angle is 180 degree. Now, what about the angles which are less than 90 degree? Less than 90 degree means 1 to 89. Yes, what are they known as? They are known as acute angles. Okay, they are known as acute angles which are less than 90 degree, or angles whose measure is less than 90 degree. Then such angles are known as what? Acute angles. Okay, so we know acute angle, we know right angle. What about the angles which are greater than 90 degree and smaller than 180 degree? They are known as obtuse angle. They are known as obtuse angle, means they start from 91 to 179 degrees. They are what? Obtuse angle. And straight angle is 180 degree. Now greater than straight angle. Greater than straight angle means 181 degree and so on. They are known as what? They are known as reflex angle. They are known as reflex angle. So they have a measurement. The measure is always greater than 180 degree, and they can vary from 181 degree to 359 degree. Yes, and 360 degree is known as a complete angle. Complete because we take the entire one round. Yes, this is 90, this is 90, this is 90, this is 90. So this is what? This is total 360 degrees. So how do we make a complete angle? Both the rays coincide with one another. This is a complete angle, or you can make this also 180 here and 180 here. That is two straight angles. That is one revolution we say. That is known as a complete angle, or you can say 360 degree. What about reflex angle? More than 180 degree. More than 180 degree यानी हमेशा straight line से ज़्यादा होगा, हमेशा कुछ ऐसा होगा. Yes, always. So inside will be an acute angle, outside will be a reflex angle. Then inside can be an obtuse angle also, no problem. Then we all know straight angle. This is the straight angle. What about obtuse angle, which is always greater than 90 degree? And we all know what is 90 degree. L shape, one ray vertical, one ray horizontal. And what about acute? Smaller than 90 degree. Always इससे नीचे वाले. Okay. So these are the different types of angles which we have already done in our last years, but still we are having a small revision of them. So we all know the types of angles: acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, and complete angle. Okay. Now there are some trivies. Let's do that. Try these in page number 93. Page 93. The trivies which we will do in we are going to do in book. Okay. So You can make no, you don't have to make the clock, children, because clock is already there. Then we go to question number 2. Now, question number 2 is, what does the angle made by our hand of the clock looks like when it moves from 5 to 7? ये यहाँ से 5 से चालू होता है और 7 तक मूव करता है. So this one. Is the angle moved more than one right angle? The angle moved is more than one right angle. First and foremost, you check where will be the right angle. Right angle will be after leaving two numbers in between. Means here. Yes. So is it more than the right angle? No, it is not. Less than the right angle. So what should be your answer? No. It is less than the right angle. Then question number 3 is, draw the following and check the angle with your RA tester. RA tester is a right angle tester which is right L shape, okay, which is provided in some of the geometry box. अगर आपके पास नहीं है तो you can use your protractor. Okay, we all have studied last year. I am the one who taught you last year also how to measure an angle using a protractor, जो हम अभी फिर से करेंगे, आज इस बार भी करेंगे. Okay, so don't worry. अगर पिछले साल का you have forgotten, no problem. Got it? Now, so but testing right angle will be very easy. So you can do this on your own, going from 12 to 2, 6 to 7, 4 to 8, 2 to 5, and you have to check whether it is a right angle or not. The angle formed is a right angle or not. Then take 5 different shapes with corners. Okay. So you can take different shapes, name the corners, examine them with your tester, and tabulate your result in each case. Tabulate your result means whether it is a right angle or not. If you want, you can do. Otherwise, अगर आप छोड़ भी देते हो तो no problem. Then there is another, try these in page 94. Page 94, which is your homework. You know why? Because it is asking situations. Okay. Like for example, list 10 situations. Then question number 2 again, list 10 situations. 3 also list 10 situations. Fourth one is find 5 situations. Fifth one is again list 5 other situations. So beta, if you want, you can do one for each question. So the first one is, look around you and identify the edges meeting at the corner to produce angles. So first one, you can take the example of wall. Yes? Then list 10 situations where the angles are made acute. Acute angle, you can take your the roof of a hut. Okay, the example, one example. I am telling you one example, so you can write now also. Then list 10 situations where the angles made are right angles. Angles made are right angles. List 10 situations. You can take a book, maths book. Okay, because the angle made here is a right angle. List 5 find situations where obtuse angles are made. 5 situations where obtuse angles are made. I cannot find. 5 situations. In one situation also I am not able to find children. Clock. Then it is showing the more than right angle. Yes, so you can take the example of the clock. Then list 5 other situations where reflex angles may be seen. 5 other situations where reflex angles can be seen. 5 other situations. So one situation also. If we can get one situation also. is a reflex angle. Yes. So we complete the triangle. So now it is no more your homework. We can one situation. You can write at the side whatever I said now. Then there is exercise 5.3 children. Exercise 5.3 we are going to do in book itself. Okay. It is match the following. First one is match the following. तो हम match कहाँ कर लेंगे? Book में ही कर सकते हैं matching. So exercise 5.3 and what about question number 2 also we can do in book, no problem. Question number 1. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and here A, B, C, D, E, F. One option extra is here. Okay. Now first one is straight angle. Straight angle means how many revolution? Half revolution. Yes. So option C is written half revolution. So you are going to mark here. This one is first. Then right angle. Right angle will be quarter revolution. Yes. Quarter revolution means 1/4 of a revolution. That is 2. That is D. Sorry. D. Then acute angle. Acute angle will be less than 90 degree. Yes. So less than 90 degree means less than quarter revolution. That is less than 1/4 of the revolution. That is third one. Is A. Option A is third. I'm going to say this one. This is one. Then obtuse angle. Obtuse angle will be more than 90 but less than 180. More than 90 but less than 180. Somewhere here. Yes. So this is 1/4. This is 1/4. And this is what? 2/4. That means 1/2. So it is between. It is more than 1/4 but less than half of revolution. Yes. So more than half a revolution here. More than half a revolution. That is option B. Then, sorry, not B. Between 1/4 and 1/2. Between 1/4 and 1/2. That is this one. So I wrote it that is reflex angle which is more than half. That was also correct. Sorry. Now question number 2. Classify each of the following as right, straight, acute, obtuse or reflex. Let me draw the figure, then we are going to do it. Question number 2 also in book. Okay. Question number 2 also in book. Let me draw the angles. I am not drawing the arrows and all. Okay. I am just drawing a rough figure. Done before also, so you can say that this exercise is like a revision for us. So the first one, less than 90. So it is what? It is acute angle. Second one is what? It is obtuse angle. Third one is what? Right angle. You can see now, it is the right angle. One, it is perpendicular. One is vertical, one is horizontal. This one, it is more than a straight line. So it's what? It's a reflex angle. Now this is a straight line, so it will be a straight angle. and इसका perpendicular will be like this. Yes, so it is less than 90 degrees. So both are acute angles. So this completes our two exercises. Am I correct? Have we done two? No, try this here. Sorry. We completed exercise 5.3 today. Now we are going to start the next part of this chapter, that is measuring of an angle. How do you know? How do you know that the measure of this angle is 110? Suppose it is 110. How will you know? You will find out with the help of a protractor. Okay, there is a device, you can say, or an instrument which is used to measure the angles, which is known as what? A protractor. Now, how does a protractor look like? We all know. Acha, what is the unit of measure of angle? The unit of angle is what? This. This is known as what? Degree. So the unit of angle is degree, and the instrument which is used to measure in the angle is known as a protractor. Okay. Now, after many days, today I am feeling better, children. Okay, I was not feeling well these days. Now I would like to show you a protractor. I am making it on the board because you know I don't have a protractor at home. But I have a very big protractor in school, okay? You know that. Because you've seen it before. This is the horizontal line, and exactly what is the center? I hope this is the center. This is the vertical line. So as I said, vertical line, so you must have understood that here will be 90 degree. This is 90 degree. Yes. Now we see scales here, children. We see scales here also, and we see scales here also. Okay. Now we see two scales. Let me make those two scales. I'm not very good in drawing, children. Okay. Nor I like drawing. Because I've drawn a lot in my childhood days. It used to be my hobby. But now I don't draw so much. I start feeling, I start feeling depressed when I start drawing. Because now I want something super active. I'm very hyperactive these days. These days means all the days, okay? In my budhapa. No, grown old. Something like this. Okay? Two scales are there. The outer scale starts from the left side. Outer scale starts from the left side means जो भी scale start होगा, जो भी starting point होगा वो 0 होगा. So this is 0. Then we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay. Then यहाँ पे 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170. ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया, सॉरी, थोड़ा और नीचे होना था. And this is 180. Okay. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, the outer scale and the inner scale starts from the right side. Okay, so this is 0 and this is your 180. You must be wondering why there are two scales. I'll tell you why. This 90 is the same. Now why this is so? Why it has two scales? Very simple. It has two scales to measure the angles which are facing both sides. If an angle is facing right side or an angle is facing left side, if an angle is facing left side, then you use the left angle. Yes, and an angle is facing right side, you use the right angle. Right angle means right wala measurement, right scale. Clear? Because what you know what will happen otherwise, if you use only one and scale, that is अगर हमने अंदर वाले ही scale से इसको भी measure कर दिया. Okay, suppose you keep your protractor here somewhere. So then this comes out to be 120 degree. Now tell me, by seeing it is less than 90 degree. Is it not less than 90 degree? Yes, it is less than 90 degree. Okay. So how can it be 120 degree? Because 120 degree is not less than 90 degree. Yes. And अगर हम इसको देखें भी we can make out ना that this is an acute angle and 120 is not an acute angle. Understood? So this mistake many of you all make. What you do? You do not check the face of the angle, where it is facing. Is it facing right or left? If it is facing left, it will use the left angle, that is left measurement, that is the outer one, जहाँ से 0 चालू हुआ है, right? Left वाला 0. And if it is facing right side, then it will use the right measurement. Okay, got it? Now, this is about the protractor. Now, how we measure a scale? Very simple. How do we measure an angle? What do we do? Like suppose this is an angle. Now, you can see this. First and foremost, you check. Is it left facing or right facing? What facing? Right facing. So which angle you will use? The inner angle. तो सबसे पहले आप यहाँ पेंसिल से लिख लिया करो कि we will use inner angle, because you know what happens while making, you forget. Okay, you forget and you use outer angle, which again you make a mistake. So this is what? This is inner angle. Inner scale. Inner angle. This is inner scale. So you will use inner scale means कौन सा scale? Right वाला scale. Right? Now, first thing what you will do? First you will check right facing, left facing. It is right facing, that means right scale. Right scale means अंदर वाला scale. तो आपने पेंसिल से लिख लिया inner scale. Now what is the second thing to check? The second thing is to see the vertex. This is a vertex. You can see. Now this protractor also has a vertex. Where is the vertex? Here. This vertex and this vertex should be one on top of the other. Okay? This vertex and this vertex should be one on top of the other. And this line, which line? The base line should be on the base of the angle. Okay? So it should be something like this. Your scale should be something like this. ये थोड़ा सा बाहर हो जाता है. क्यों? क्योंकि जो बेस लाइन है थोड़ी ऊपर है, राइट? तो इसीलिए बेस लाइन के ऊपर हम अपना स्केल लगाएंगे एंड 0 के ऊपर हम अपना इसका 0 लगाएंगे, तो वर्टेक्स लगाएंगे, सॉरी, इस वर्टेक्स के ऊपर अपने प्रोट्रैक्टर का वर्टेक्स. देन यू चेक वेयर इज दिस लाइन शोइंग. ओके, सो आई एम वेरी ऑब्वियस, आई एम वेरी श्योर दिस इज 0, 10, 30, something 40 degrees. Okay, must be 40 degrees. Clear? This is how we make an angle. Now the same thing we do when we are making an angle which is facing the left side. Okay, if an angle is facing the left side, something like this, then we decide the face, left side, then we decide the scale, outer scale. ऐसे पेंसिल से लिख लेंगे हम साइड में outer scale. Then we, what do? We take the vertex of the protractor on the vertex of the angle, and then the baseline should be exactly on the baseline of the protractor, that is the zero line इसीलिए बड़ी होती है. Okay, then we see where is this line coincided. Clear? कौन सा स्केल बता रहा है, that is outer scale में ये वाली लाइन कहाँ जा रही है, must be at 85 or something. Got it? So this is how we measure an angle using a protractor. Make an angle using a protractor. Now how do we measure an angle? How do we measure an angle? Means if angle is already the same way. If angle is already made, what to do? Again, first to decide angle is left facing or right facing. If it is left facing, then you use the outer scale. तो ऐसे आप लिख लो outer scale and inner scale. Then again you have the baseline in the angle. यहाँ पे तो हमको कुछ बनाना नहीं है. Already it is there. Yes, what to do? We keep the angle like this, and we keep the protractor like this. Protractor का vertex and angle का vertex together, we make the angle or we measure the angle. Clear? So this is how we measure the angle. Measuring the angle was over. I wanted to tell you making the angle. How do you make the angle? How do you make the angle? Like for example, first and foremost, you draw the baseline. Okay, and you decide which side are you making. Are you making right or left? So I am making right side. Right side means which angle? Inner angle. ये मैंने लिख लिया है यहाँ पे मेरे. Okay, for my use that is. Now this is my vertex. So I am going to put my protractor here, like this. I will put my protractor here, so that the midpoint of the protractor, this point, and the vertex of my angle which I am making should coincide with one another, and this baseline should coincide. Now I want to make an angle of 120 degree. So wherever 120 degree is written in inner angle, मैंने लिखा हुआ है inner. So inner angle में wherever 120 is, there I put a point. Then I remove my protractor and I join this and I make this. So this is how we make an angle using a protractor and measure an angle using a protractor. Rest we are going to continue tomorrow.